If you didn't know yet, a volume bot is one of the most important things to pump a token, and in Robinhood chain is quite the same in the trenches. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a volume bot to actually pump your token in any launchpad or DEX, like Uniswap, Noxa, Flap, Banker, wherever you're using, this volume bot is for you. Let's go directly to the process. So we are going to use this tool you are seeing here, Robinhood Volume Bot, which basically has everything we need. Okay, so to do it, we will simply go to GMGN, take any token, for example, here Memelords, and we take the token address. We paste it here, and we have three options. Okay, we have the option of boost token, which is this more simple one, when we can select how much makers we want, how much volume we want, how much we want to spend, and how much minutes the bot will run. This function will just generate makers that will be buying and selling the token, so it will boost the volume, make it look more attractive, so more people will get in and your token can pump. Okay, then we have the target price or the run bumps function, which is basically the same that before, but we add a small pump to the token because we will be buying 100% of the token and then selling a few less, which is if, for example, we have here 10%, we will be selling 90% of the tokens we bought. Okay, the percentage here doesn't mean the token will pump this. It means the spread between the amount we are buying and the amount we are selling, which is less sell. So we will be holding the token in different wallets, buying the token with more wallets, and then it will generate this effect of pumping the token. After you have experience using it, if you come from Solana trenches, you have the advanced bot where you can select all the functions but fully custom. You can select the order amounts, the delay between transactions. We can even set a sell strategy to actually make it look more organic, and so on. You can make everything. In this case, I might use the boost tokens just to show you how it works. I added the Memelords token. Let me see, it has volume but not that much, so we will be able to see the actual transactions. Then I might just select the basic ones. You need to play with this based on your goals. I recommend you to use so far the makers you already have. Like if you have 100 makers, don't add like 1000 makers because it will be obvious that it's a bot. Okay, same with the volume. If you have 1 Ethereum volume in one day, don't add 10 Ethereum in volume. Okay, basically as we add more time, it will be looking more organic because we will have more delay between all the makers buying the token. If we select here 10 minutes, we will have 25 wallets buying and selling the token in this time lapse. Okay, this is really important. You need to take that on account because if we come with 100 buys in 10 minutes now to this token, it will be obvious that it's a market maker bot. Okay, so now as we have it here, we just need to click on start bot. We will see the transaction on our wallet. We confirm it. Okay, success. Then we have another one. We confirm it as well. Perfect. Bot started successfully. Here we go. We can scroll down a bit and we will see the logs. In here, we will be able to see everything that is happening. Every maker created, every buy transaction, every sell transaction. So it's really important and we can stop it anytime. If you stop it, it will return back the Ethereum or the tokens it has. Okay, the different wallets. As we can see, it's running already and we have all the transactions. If we come here, we can see that actually the makers are making their job. This is how easily you can actually run a volume bot on your favor and make your token much more attractive, so actually buyers come in and pump your token. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.